The name of story is God Has a Plan for You. In a village, a young man lived named Jack. Jack was kind hearted and hardworking, but lately, life seemed to have lost its spark. Despite his best efforts, his dreams of becoming an artist seemed out of reach. Bills piled up, rejection letters from galleries filled his inbox, and his confidence dwindled with each passing day. One crisp autumn morning, Jack decided to take a walk to clear his mind. As he strolled through the park, he noticed an elder man sitting on a bench, sketching the landscape enriched. Jack approached him and struck up a conversation. The old man introduced himself as Mr. Harold, a retired art professor. Jack shyly shared his struggles and how he felt lost, questioning if he was chasing a dream that was not meant for him. Mr. Harold listened intently and then said, Jack, do you believe that everything happens for a reason? That God has a plan for each of us? Jack shrugged. I want to believe that, but it's hard when things are going well. Mr. Harold smiled and handed Jack his sketchpad. Look closely at this drawing. See how each line and shadow seems random up close. But when you step back, it forms a beautiful picture. Life is like that. You can't always see the bigger picture, but trust that God is working on something extraordinary for you. Jack pondered those words as he walked home. That evening inspired, he decided to sketch again. He poured his emotions onto the canvas, not caring about perfection, just letting his heart guide him. Days turned into weeks, and he created a series of paintings that felt deeply personal and raw. One day, a local cafe owner stumbled upon Jack's work and offered to display it in her shop. To Jack's surprise, the paintings resonated with people. Soon, a local newspaper wrote a feature about him, and a gallery owner reached out to offer him an exhibition. Standing amidst his displayed paintings at the gallery, Jack looked back on his journey. Every setback, every moment of doubt had led him here. He realized that God's plan was not about immediate success, but about growth, perseverance, and faith. As Mr. Harold had said, life was a masterpiece in the making. And Jack was finally beginning to see the beautiful picture unfolding. He whispered a quiet prayer of gratitude, knowing that the best was yet to come. From then on, Jack approached each day with hope, trusting that even in moments of uncertainty, God's plan for him was always in motion.